Colors make our world so beautiful. Can you name your favorite color?
Wow! Look at this red balloon. It's like a shiny apple. Wow! Look, isn't it fun to say? Green! Green's like this big, big cake. Green is my favorite, just like the trees. Hey!
Yes, you are right, brother.
Yellow is like the sun, bright and happy. Who's now where you from? Wow, you made a new color.
Red plus yellow makes orange. Good job, Ibaad.
Red plus yellow makes orange. Good job, Ibaad.